The Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences (ICPC) don tok say dem go dey monitor how federal government wan share money direct to all 774 local governments for Naija. Di ICPC chairman wey be Dr. Ahmadu Musa yarn dis matter for one meeting wey dem hold to discuss how to make local governments dey accountable with money.
By focusing on these areas, we aim to strengthen governance structure, enhance service delivery, and restore public trust in local government. To achieve these goals, ICPC will deploy its investigative, prosecutorial, and regulatory functions to ensure compliance. These include legislative enforcement, periodic audits, oversight mechanisms to identify and rectify non-compliance. Additionally, state governments must recognize their role in supporting local government council, ensuring this reform is implemented without administrative bottlenecks. Civil society organizations and media partners also play a crucial role in raising awareness and holding local government accountable. As an anti-corruption agency, ICPC is committed to ensuring the success of this reform by enforcing compliance with anti-corruption laws and fostering a culture of transparency, accountability, and efficiency. The ACPPLG is designed to strengthen financial management, governance standards, and proactive disclosure in local government councils. We urge all stakeholders to collaborate in making this initiative a success. The fight against corruption at this grassroots level is a fight for Nigeria's future.
For the meeting, Senator Siako Anthony Yaro for Gombe South, wey represent Senate Anti-Corruption Committee, tok say dis monitoring plan come for the right time as e follow the national movement to make local governments independent.
This gathering is not only timely but also of paramount importance as our nation continues its journey towards strengthening governance at all levels, particularly at the grassroots. Local government, we view it as the grassroots action area. Even we politicians, we recognize it as that. The autonomy alone is not enough. We must ensure that the resources allocated to local governments are prudently and transparently used, free from corrupt practices. And I suppose that's what ICPC chairman is talking all about in his address. As lawmakers, we are fully committed to enacting and strengthening legislation that promotes accountability, transparency, good governance at all levels. The Senate Committee on Anti-Corruption and Financial Crimes will work tirelessly to support in full policies that guarantee the responsible management of public funds in every type of government, ensuring that allocations meant for local government translate into a real development of the people.
Honorable Kayode Akinolu, chairman of House Anti-Corruption Committee, join tok say everybody must join hand monitor projects for their areas.
If government must be able to deliver good governance to the Nigerian people, all hands must be on deck to move the government, to move the ship of the Nigerian state forward. Those hands comprises the federal government, the state government, and of course, local government. In the end, governance is a collective responsibility, as no level of government can do it alone. Probably the largest impediment to the effectiveness of the local government system is captured by the state government. It is public knowledge that across the length and breadth of this country, state governors treated funds of the Local Govumet Council in their domain as theirs. They tap into these funds and use them for their projects and programs, often leaving the Local Govumet Council with barely enough to pay salaries.
ICPC don promise say dem go make sure all dis money wey dem dey share reach the right places. Dem beg Nigerians to help dem watch how local governments dey spend money for their area. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosinwa, TMC News.